Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food dehydrators that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're drying fruits, making beef jerky, or preparing treats for your furry friends, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the OSTBA food dehydrator machine. This compact yet powerful dehydrator is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want a reliable entry-level option. With 240 watts of power, it features a responsive LED digital control panel that displays temperature, timer settings, and remaining working time. The adjustable thermostat ranges from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile enough for drying fruits, jerky, herbs, and even homemade dog treats. The 72-hour timer ensures flexibility for longer dehydration cycles, and the transparent window lets you monitor the drying progress without opening the unit. The design is compact, with 5 BPA-free trays stacked vertically, saving counter space. The trays are dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel exterior is easy to clean. While it doesn't have the advanced airflow systems of higher-end models, it performs well for small batches and evenly distributes heat with its 360-degree circulation airflow. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and the included recipe book for beginners. However, the lower wattage means slower drying times compared to more powerful models, and the compact size limits the volume of food you can dehydrate in one go. Perfect for occasional use and small families, the OSTBA Dehydrator is a solid choice for light-duty drying tasks. Next up, at number 4, is the COSORI food dehydrator machine for jerky. This compact unit is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $49.99. Despite its affordability, it offers solid performance with a 350-watt motor and adjustable temperature control ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 165 degrees. You can set the timer for up to 48 hours in 30-minute increments, making it suitable for a variety of foods like fruits, veggies, meats, and herbs. It includes 5 BPA-free trays, but you can expand it to 7 trays for larger batches. The COSORI Dehydrator is lightweight and built with durable polypropylene material, making it easy to store and move around. The trays are dishwasher safe, adding convenience to cleanup. It operates quietly, with noise levels below 47 decibels, so you can use it overnight without any disruption. The included 50 recipe book is a bonus for those new to food dehydration, offering creative ideas to get started. While this model is an excellent value for the price, it lacks some advanced features like rear-mounted fans and stainless steel trays found in higher-end models. It's best for beginners or users who dehydrate occasionally and don't need a large capacity. Overall, the COSORI food dehydrator machine delivers impressive functionality for its price point. At number 3, we have the NESCO 8-tray stainless steel food dehydrator, a premium option designed for users who want a sleek design and reliable performance. Featuring 8 stainless steel drying trays, this dehydrator offers ample space for large batches of jerky, fruits, and herbs. The temperature control ranges from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 Fahrenheit increments, ensuring precision for a wide variety of foods. The 24-hour timer can be set in 30-minute intervals, providing flexibility for shorter or longer drying cycles. The stainless steel housing and transparent glass door give it a modern look, while the built-in cabinet light allows you to monitor progress without interrupting the dehydration process. Powered by a 650-watt fan, it ensures even air circulation across all trays, so you don't need to rotate them. Additionally, it comes with a BPA-free drip tray for easier cleanup. On the downside, the NESCO Dehydrator is on the heavier side and may not be ideal for users with limited counter space. It's also priced at the higher end of the spectrum, making it better suited for serious dehydrators rather than casual users. If you're looking for a durable, high-capacity dehydrator with consistent performance, the NESCO model is worth considering. Coming in at number 2 is the P-Sidan food dehydrator with 12 trays, a powerhouse designed for large-scale food drying. With an impressive 850-watt motor and rear-mounted turbofan, this unit dries food 30% faster than standard dehydrators while maintaining consistent airflow for even results. The temperature can be adjusted from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, and the digital timer allows for cycles up to 48 hours. The one-touch presets make it easy to achieve perfect results, whether you're making jerky, fruit leather, or dried herbs. The design is commercial grade, featuring sturdy stainless steel housing and BPA-free trays that are dishwasher safe. The crystal clear glass door and interior LED light provide full visibility of the drying process without letting heat escape. This dehydrator is perfect for homesteads, small businesses, or anyone who needs to process large batches of food quickly and efficiently. While the P-Side-An dehydrator is feature-rich, it's also the heaviest and largest on our list, which may not suit users with limited kitchen space. The price point reflects its premium features, making it ideal for advanced users rather than beginners. If you're serious about food dehydration and need the capacity for big batches, this unit is an excellent investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the COSORI Food Dehydrator, a high-performance model that strikes the perfect balance between functionality and value. With 6 stainless steel trays offering 6.5 square feet of drying space, this dehydrator is 27% larger than standard 7-tray models, making it ideal for medium to large batches. The 600-watt motor and rear-mounted drying fan deliver consistent airflow for faster and more even drying without the need for manual tray rotation. The temperature ranges from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and 48-hour timer can be set in precise increments using the digital control panel. The stainless steel construction is durable and food-safe, while the advanced brushless motor ensures whisper-quiet operation at just 48 dB. Safety features like auto shutoff and overheat protection make it reliable for overnight use. It also comes with dishwasher-safe trays, a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, and a 50-recipe cookbook to kickstart your dehydrating journey. While it's not the cheapest option, the COSORI Food Dehydrator offers exceptional value for its price, combining high capacity, powerful performance, and user-friendly features. It's perfect for anyone who wants a robust dehydrator for regular use without venturing into commercial-grade territory. This is a top pick for families, hobbyists, and home chefs alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy dehydrating!